yan. Okay, what do you think this means? Omsim.
옹심. 옹심. 아니야, 다들 웃고 있는데 지금.
No, you guys are all laughing.
You're so cute kasi.
이거 봐, 웃잖아.
Look at you, you're laughing.
옹심.
What do you think it means? It's not a yoga chant, as you're maybe making it sound, okay? Omsim, what do you think it means? So omsim means, in Tagalog, it's like saying correct. You know, you are right. Like when someone says to you something, it's like, omsim, ayan, like that. But it's ready to say omsim, then teach him how to say it. All right then, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's how I heard. Ah!
옹심.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So I think what we can do is maybe the fans can say, Kim Suyono pa ang pogi mo. And then you can say, Omsim. You know, so you know how to use it in an interaction. Would you guys like to do that? All right. All right. He knows naman what it means, no?
안 보기 뭐.
Okay, so the fans are gonna tell you you're so foggy, and then you can say omsim. All right, okay, here we go.
Salamat po.